Shane two-wheeled car. The inventor of the hoverboard, Shane Chen, reconfigures his two-wheeled personal ride into a giant electric car concept that features two big wheels and doors that flap upwards like a clamshell. The Shane electric car is the ultimate combination of efficiency, comfort, and innovation, making it a one-of-a-kind vehicle. The most noticeable aspect of the Shane is its giant wheels, a new feature in the electric car market. The two wheels sandwich a pod-like cabin accommodating up to 5 passengers. The wheels are connected to the cabin via an intricate system that allows them to automatically react to body motion and maintain stability while moving. Zeva Zero Flight. Zeva's flying saucer is an electric vertical takeoff and landing craft, or EVTL, that's powered by 4 pairs of rotors. It's designed to lift off vertically with a single pilot, and then transition to a horizontal orientation to fly at speeds of up to 160 mph with a range of up to 50 miles. The Zeva Zero eVTOL has a unique flat design that aims to carry passengers completely door-to-door. Notably, the Zero's body itself is used as a lift surface to reduce drag-in horizontal flight. Zeva also has a design for a skydock, which will allow the Zero to dock directly to buildings its passengers are traveling to, in order to eliminate the need for last-mile transportation. The Zeva Zero carries a single passenger. Zeva forecasts a starting price of about $250,000 when the Zero comes to market. The company has already started testing with a full-scale prototype and expects to be certified by 2023 and selling units a year later. Better still, Tibbet says it will qualify as an experimental craft in roughly 6 months, which means anyone with a pilot's license can start flying it in the new year. Xpeng AeroHT. The modular vehicle comprises a land carrier, mothership, and a flying body. The mothership has 6 wheels and looks like a truck. This drone can carry 2 people, supporting manual automatic control. The flying portion of the vehicle is big enough for up to 2 passengers and can be flown by a pilot or by its own autonomous systems. It also has a 270-degree field of view out of its cockpit, offering gorgeous views and plenty of visibility. The transformative design of the modular flying car is a nod to the future of transport. Its futuristic aesthetics and functionality, resembling science fiction concepts, point towards a new era where vehicles are no longer confined to terrestrial boundaries. The flexibility of the modular design could set a new standard in the automotive industry, influencing future developments in both private and public sectors. Quiggle folding bike. The Quiggle claims to be the most compact foldable bike in the world. Weighing in at 18.7 pounds and measuring just 21.6 inches by 15.7 inches by 9.8 inches in its folded state, it is indeed a compact option for commuters. When not in use, it can be easily stored inside a duffel bag and carried around with you wherever you go. The Quiggle is also very quick and nimble when weaving in and out of traffic, which is an important characteristic to have in any commuter bike. The smaller wheels found on foldable bikes allow them to accelerate more rapidly than standard bikes, giving riders the ability to maneuver through crowded environments with surprising efficiency. This single-gear bike can also reach speeds in excess of 18 mph, although future models will add 2- and 6-gear options that should improve that number considerably. Jetson 1. Jetson's 1 is a single-seater eVTOL vehicle weighing just 86 kg, thanks to its lightweight, race car-inspired aluminum space frame and carbon Kevlar body. Powered by 8 electric motors, It can achieve a top speed of 63 mph with an overall flight time of 20 minutes. Jetson says it provides a day of flight training to customers who complete assembly of the aircraft themselves. However, according to a licensed pilot who wishes to remain anonymous, it appears you would require a sports pilot license for ultralight aircraft, which is what the Jetson 1 is. At the very least, it appears, you would also need to complete a 2-day course on airspace restrictions and learn how to use flight GPS devices in addition to honing up your spatial awareness. Vonmercier arosa, electric vehicle manufacturer. Vonmercier just launched arosa, a flashy and carbon-fitted luxury sports hovercraft that can travel over land and water. arosa sports a sleek body with an aggressive front end and side air intakes that take cues from automotive design. This is balanced by a 2-seat open cockpit and side decks that recall a go-fast boat. The hovercraft can effortlessly glide across grass, gravel, tarmac, sand, water, and more. Where you can actually drive it will depend on the authorities, though, as hovercrafts aren't usually allowed on public roads, since they're often classified as boats. The original supercraft, like the arosa, rode on an air cushion, which allowed it to glide over literally any kind of surface and deliver the same smooth, comfortable, and easy ride. Quanta R project, Quanta R from Iron Custom Motors. In this project, we combined a unique design, engineering, and fan Quanta R built by Iron Custom Motors, which allows you to enjoy traveling like a motorcycle, but at the same time provides a high level of security, like a car. The Quanta R features a custom suspension that allows for camber and toe adjustments on both axles. The ceramic braking system is enhanced with reinforced hoses and a brake booster. Weighing in at 750 kg, the Quanta R delivers impressive dynamics, reaching 0-100 km/h in under 3 seconds and boasting a top speed of 200 km/h. This concept is a 2-seater, with the rear passenger seat cleverly hidden beneath a sliding cover. It also has Avocin R22 wheels, Bilstein suspension, motorcycle optics, and controls. All this is designed to give incredible emotions.